Alright, okay, let's look at this question. 3 letters are selected at random from the word biology. They are just they are not arranged. Be careful about the keywords here. Select only. So it means that the arrangement of the alphabet is not important, right? So it means that if there is, or if they said the letters contain, the 3 letters contain one O, means that there is one O. It's not important that the O is in the middle, is in the first or at the end of the position. No, it's not important. So find the probability that the selection. So clearly that this is the case of combination, right? Biology. So you have biology. So but you have to be careful that because that one of the letters is repeat, which is O, right? So I write out all the distinct letters first. So B-I-L-G-Y is all different letters, right? Only there is an O which is happen to be double, right? So if this is double, so we have to consider the number of possibility space, right? The total possibility space. Be careful, right? We have to really consider it. So okay, let's look at this. We have 2O, right? We have 2O. So means that maybe during the selection, right? You choose 3 letters. Remember, you choose 3 letters. So when you choose 3 letters, means that inside the 3 letters maybe got no O, right? No letters O. You have to think by case, right? There is possibility that no letter O. They never said the letters must have O, no, right? Because the total possibility space means that maybe the letters does not have O, right? No letters O. So no letters O means I choose from these 5, 5C3, right? The first possibility, right? First possibility. So now I know I need to add 5C3 into the possibility, right? Into the possibility. So the second possibility will be maybe one letter O, right? Maybe you're choosing one of the letter O is inside one letter O. So one letters O, right? One letter O. So one letter O means that it's 5C2, right? Means that I don't write 2C1, alright, because these two are the same, right? I know there is a letter O, right? If let's say the 3 letter, you know there is a letter O. You sudah tahu ada satu letter O. And you don't need to arrange, right? There is a letter O. Means that the other 2 must come from this 5 alphabet, right? Which is 5C2, right? You know there is already a letter O. You know that one letter O is already inside, right? So the first possibility, the second possibility, got no letter O or one letter O. So I add into the possibility, tambah kepada kemungkinan. So 5C2, right? Is there any more possibility? Yes. Maybe inside the 3 letters, you have 2O, right? Maybe you choose, O, 2 also O. Then the other one has to be, so means that you have 2 letter O. Maximum you have 2 letter O. Why I just consider O? Why I never consider about L, I, and B? Because O is the problem now. Okay, O is the one that repeat. We have to consider carefully. So 2 letter O means that you have 2 letter O. Means the remaining one, the arrangement is not important. So you know there is 2 letter O. Okay, done. So means that the other 5 I choose one. Right? I choose one. So means that this is all the possibility. Is it any more? No. Right? No. So it's either have one O, no O inside the 3 letters, or one O in the 3 letters. That's why you have one O in the 3 letters. The remaining, you need 2 more alphabet. You need 3 letters, right? So one O, already have one O, right? Already have one O. So you need another 2. So from this 5, right? If you have 2 O, then you need another 1. So means this is all the possibility. You should add up, right? Later on, they want to calculate, find the, okay, look at the question. Okay, this is the most important, that you're able to understand why you need to do this, right? So, find the probability that the selection does not contain the letter O. So, let A, okay, you just write somewhere, okay, I'm not going to write here. So, let A to be the events that the selection does not does not contain letter O, right? So does not contain letter O. So for part A, right? Easy. So does not contain letter O. No letter O means that 5C3, right? Is the probability, right? Is 5C3. So 5C3, the probability of A is you take the number of outcomes for these events divide by the total probability, the NS here. So I have to total up first. Alright, you have 25 for this. And for this you have 5C3. 5C3 you have 10, right? You have 10 of this. So the probability of 10 divided by the probability, this is 10, right? So I have to take 10, 5C3 divided by 25, which is 10 divided by 25, which is 2, 5, 10, 5, 5, 25. 2 over 5 will be the answer for part A, right? So, alright, let's look at the next question here. There's the next question there. Contain both of the letter O, right? B. I just put event B, right? Easy for me to answer the question. So B, events that the selection contain both the letter O, right? Both the letter O. Just write somewhere so you know that your NB, right? Your NB will be contain both letter. You have two letter O, means it's 5C1, right? 5C1. So contain two letter O. So divide by the total probability, total possibility is 25, right? Which gives you 5 over 25, and you have 1 over 5, right? 1 over 5.